How to fix Android package installer not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, open up your Play Store and then here search for Chrome. If your Chrome shows open, leave that as it is. If it shows update, tap onto update and update your app. Once you do so, head over to your settings. Here scroll below and find the apps section. Then again, search for Google Chrome or just Chrome. Tap onto your Chrome here. First thing first, you have to tap on notifications under privacy and make sure that you have allowed notification. So toggle on this button, go back, tap onto permissions. Also make sure that you have allowed permissions for camera, location, microphone. Tap on microphone, then tap on allow. Once it's done, tap on browser app, then tap on Chrome. Come back, go on to storage, then clear the cache. Under here, tap onto force stop, then tap OK. Now restart your device, launch your Chrome, and this shall fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.